Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the recap of the USDA March World and U.S. Supply and Demand Report. Well, kind of as expected, the USDA raised the Brazil soybean crop to 108 million tons. They also raised the corn crop in Brazil to 91.5 million tons. So the impact that had on U.S. soybean carryout is they lowered our exports 25 million bushels. Offsetting that a little bit, they raised crush 10 million bushels, but now the new carryout is 435 million bushels, and beans are down 9 cents. So again, we're going to have to deal with that extra supply in Brazil as we move forward in our soybean export market. As far as corn is concerned, they didn't change the carryout here in the United States, although they did show a bigger crop in Brazil. As far as wheat is concerned, they just lowered imports 10 million bushels, which lowered the carryout 11.29. You've got corn prices down about 2 cents, while wheat prices here in Chicago are unchanged. So next, we'll be watching weather. We'll be watching the funds and whether they want to hold on to these positions in the grains or in commodities in general. And then we'll be watching the March 31st report when they give us March 1 stocks here in the United States and our first guess of acreage. There will be a private group's estimate out on Monday of what they think our acres are going to be in 2017. One note for our Canadian friends, the canola market has been trading in some kind of a wedge that we've developed from the lows that we saw back summer to the recent highs that we saw at the beginning of the year. So that wedge is kind of coming in right now, and above the market is the fact that if soybean crop in South America is bigger, then there'll be competition for veg oils like canola oil. But on the support on the lower side of this trend line support is the fact that China might come in soon and start buying Canadian canola. So we're in kind of a trading range there, and we'll break out of that range once we know a little bit more about global 2017 supply and demand. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.